Do you say, "Are you agree?" or "I'm going to home," without realizing it sounds strange to native speakers? These are small mistakes, but they instantly make your English sound unnatural, even if your grammar seems correct. And the worst part? Millions of learners repeat them every day without noticing. In this video, I'll show you 5 common mistakes and the simple fixes that will make your English sound much more natural and confident. First mistake. According to me, this is the best solution. This is incorrect because we don't use according to me in English. We use according to when we refer to someone else's opinion or external sources like reports or research. For example, according to Marie, this is the best solution. But if you want to give your own opinion, you should say, I think, in my opinion, or in my view. These sound natural and correct. Also notice pronunciation. According to often uses a soft to sound, t, and sometimes English speakers link it smoothly with the next word. Second mistake. We're making a party for Sarah's birthday. This is wrong collocation. In English, we don't say make a party. We say have a party or throw a party. For example, we're having a party next Saturday, or they threw a huge party for her promotion. Have a party is the most natural and common expression, while throw a party is more informal and often used when organizing something for someone else. But never say make a party or do a party. Third mistake. I'm agree with you or are you agree? This is completely wrong. The correct forms are I agree with you and do you agree? The word agree is a verb, not an adjective, so we never use am, is, are before it. Also, we don't usually use it in continuous form, so we don't say I am agreeing. Instead, just say, I agree. A correct alternative structure is, I am in agreement with you, but that's more formal. Fourth mistake. I'm going to home now. This is incorrect. We don't say, to home. The correct sentence is, I'm going home. With words like go, come, and get, the word home works like an adverb, so it does not need a preposition. For example, he came home late, not to home. Or, what time did you get home? Not get to home. Also, will be home soon is correct. No to needed. Fifth mistake. This is one of the best place I know. This should be, this is one of the best places I know. After one of, we always use a plural noun because we are talking about one item from a group. So the correct structure is one of plus plural noun. For example, one of the best movies I've seen, or one of the most beautiful cities in the world. Even though one feels singular, the noun must stay plural. Now let's quickly test what you've learned. Try correcting these. Are you going to make a party for your birthday? Arabic is one of the hardest language to learn. According to us, you handled the problem well. When are you going to home? Are you agree with me? The correct versions are have a party, one of the hardest languages. We think / in our opinion. When are you going home? And do you agree? So, how many did you get right out of 5? The goal isn't just to understand these rules, but to start using them naturally in real conversation. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.